20 gel polishes for $30. Too good to be true? Let's find out. Today I am reviewing the Lavender Violets 20-piece gel polish set that you can buy on Amazon for $30. I love gel polish just like pretty much everyone else in the world, but it is so expensive. So when you're doing a lot of nail art or just want a lot of variety in your personal collection, it is expensive. For like 30 gel polishes full size, you would be paying over like $300. This one is $30 and you get a base and a top coat and 18 colors. These are 8 milliliters and these are each 5 milliliters. It doesn't come looking like this. They were in a like color coordinated order and all the right side up, but my kids got into it, so you know. For $30 you get a pretty good range. White, gray, black, purples, greens, blue. There's only one blue. Reds, pinks, orange, yellow, and like a peach color. I wanted to give you the full experience, so I actually went ahead and put it on my nails 2 weeks ago. I'll put some clips in there about like the ease of application and how it cures and everything. But for 2 weeks, that's not bad. And I have this habit of picking off the gel that's capped there at the ends, and usually with like a cheap gel polish that'll cause all of it to like peel up and start coming off pretty soon, and this one doesn't. So I was happy about that.
As you can see, I made swatches for all of the colors and they match pretty well to the bottles. However, the bottles have like sparkles on it and the color does not, so don't be thrown off by that. I was really impressed with the black, gray, and white and how opaque they were, so A+. I went ahead and prepped my nails and then applied Protein Bond. As you can see here, the formula for the gel colors is pretty thick. I took the base coat and applied that on all of my fingers, which was delightfully thin, as it should be. It wasn't really thick or goopy or anything. I cured it in my LED light for 1 minute. I went ahead and did the first layer of color gel. As you can see, it is a little thick. It doesn't flow quite as nicely as regular gel polish, so you need to work it around a little bit. You do that to all the nails, and then I cured it. Then I went ahead and applied the second layer of gel color. It really deepened the color, made it really opaque. I cured it for 60 seconds. Tested the top coat, which again was not super goopy or anything, it just flowed really nicely. And make sure to cap the bottom and then put it in for 1 minute for a final cure. And then they were completely cured, nice and shiny.
It is much like any other gel polish. You cure it for 2 minutes in a UV lamp or 1 minute in an LED lamp. Okay, one thing I have to add in there, gel polish, for those who haven't used it before or haven't been properly trained on how it's supposed to work or how you're supposed to apply, I did make a video about that. I'll link that up in the card. You are going to have a sticky layer. It's called an inhibition layer between each layer. So like each time you cure it in the light, I've seen reviews where people are like, it was still sticky, or like this light is broken because it left it sticky. You're just using it wrong. You have to cure it in between each coat, and then after the top coat you can wipe it off with rubbing alcohol and that'll do the trick and it'll just be left good to go. However, this I found out was a no wipe top coat, so you don't even have to wipe it with alcohol and it's just good to go. Is this polish as good as the professional brands like Gelish or OPI or CND? Not when it comes to viscosity. Like, it's a bit thick and therefore a little harder to apply. However, it stayed on 2+ weeks and the color is true to the bottles and I'm all over impressed. So if you're looking to build your gel nail collection, especially if you like doing a lot of nail art with a bunch of different colors, but you don't have $300+ to get that inventory going, this is the best option. I think this is the best cheap gel polish out there. Best bang for your buck. I'll put a link down below of where you can get this. I got mine on Amazon. They also have a glitter collection, so I might have to try that sometime. If you liked this product review and want other beauty education or inspiration, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment letting me know what you'd like to know. Have a great day.